Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can block ads over on Twitch. The process is quite simple, so just follow the steps. At first, open up your Chrome browser and go over to Google Chrome's web store. Once it loads up, simply search for Tamper Monkey in the dedicated search bar in the top left corner. Now, open up the first extension and just add it in your Chrome. And here we go. You can see the Tamper Monkey is added to our browser. Now, select the jigsaw icon from the top right corner and open Tamper Monkey extension. And then click on User Scripts. And from the resultant links, find any preferred link and just click on it. And that link will get you over on GitHub, and from here scroll down and select User Scripts in the Scripts tab. Now just install this script. And here we go. You can see our script is installed, and when you do so, from now on onwards, you'll not get any kind of ads over on your Twitch. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can block ads over on your Twitch. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.